Big one? Oh man, that's the fish I've been dreaming of. Wow.
Yeah, buddy. How's it going, everybody? So, we're trying something new today with my buddy Ettnie again. And you guys probably recognize him from the salmon video we did there this spring. But anyways, he's never caught a brown before, so we're trying to catch him a brown. We've been planning a trip to catch him one. We've tried it 2 times. Can't get him on a brown.
It's cursed, man. I'm cursed for browns. I've caught everything else. It's not brown.
He's cursed. You guys probably know, some of you guys probably have the same curse. I have it sometimes as well. I lose more when I catch brown, so. But we're after a brown trout today, and the thing that we're doing different is, in Nova Scotia, you're allowed to fish 2 hours after sunset. So we're gonna fish in the dark today. We got some mice flies tied, but we're here in time to fish dries and fish some streamers before we get to that point. But once we get to that point, obviously you guys probably aren't gonna see a lot, but we're not allowed to fish with a light. But as soon as we catch it, you unhook it, you're allowed to turn the light on for a picture. So we're gonna do that. Hopefully we get some big ones today. I know this hole has some big ones. This is the hole that we were in last video when I lost a huge brown. So I'm hoping Ettnie gets on one. We're gonna let him fish first. We saw some rise already. We're pumped. And yeah, let's get into it.
Olive woolly.
Olive woolly to start.
Yeah.
Can't go wrong with that.
Starting to tear apart.
Man, they're feeding right in that running water too. Got one? Oh! That was a better one.
That took it really weird. I thought I said hook on it. Yeah. Yeah. I didn't even know. He's tiny, man. I think he's a brockie. He's just a little brockie. Yeah.
Alright, first fish of the day.
Hey, it's tough.
Yeah. Get him? Nice.
No, he's a little brown.
Really?
Yeah.
I see.
He's a little brown.
He's got his first brown.
Oh no. Hey,
this isn't your fairy tale, but
like I said,
hey, it's a brown.
Oh, it's current strong. Hey, that's okay with me. Oh, hey, there's bigger ones in there.
Oh yeah. You probably lost like one that was probably like 14, 15.
Oh yeah.
Like the one that
oh,
was.
he got out.
Oh, he got through the hole?
Yeah, that's how small he was.
Hey, you can only go up from there.
Hey, that's a brown.
Nice.
I can say I caught a brown now.
Yeah, got it off the bucket list. Okay, let's get his parents.
Yeah.
got it. What?
Oh. We're gonna get a big one on the mix today, I'm not even joking.
Oh, dude.
Oh, it's a striper.
What?
What the? No way.
Not again?
No.
Dude.
No. What the frick? We can't steer clear of these suckers, man. I thought this was a brown. And he was eating at my feet.
What did you have?
White woolly?
Oh yeah.
Man.
You know what? Isn't that what Will caught one on?
I think. That's hilarious.
They like the white. Like
yeah,
the
they do.
Flies. There it goes.
Okay, let's let him back. Get going, Bob. There he goes.
He's good. He's all good.
We can't steer clear of the stripers. We went this spring, thought we had a big trout. Same thing. I think I've got the striper curse on me now. Made that one striper video, now that's all I can catch. But I'm actually gonna switch out now. I'm gonna put on a mouse. Okay, we just gotta hope that there's more trout in here. I know there is, but Moon's out. Nice out.
Okay, put this old mousy boy on here. Just tied it like 2 hours ago. And yeah, you're not allowed to use a light when you're fishing, but when you're tying on the fly or not casting, you're allowed to use it for safety. So that's what we're doing. And also, another pro tip, this red light, if you guys are wondering what this is, basically if you turn on a normal LED, it will ruin your night vision that you have normally. So red helps not to take that away. So that's why we're using red right now. What do you think?
We got skunked a little bit, but hey, I caught my first brown. It was little, but that's better. I'm happy. That was a brown. Now it's just to get a bigger one. That's the next goal.
There's a jungle in here though.
Yeah. I got my sunglasses.
Yeah, me too. Okay guys, been probably, I'd say a week since we were here last, but anyways, you guys know, we didn't catch anything big, but he did get a brown, and he got a brown, but we're back. We're back, and we're gonna get a bigger one. He lost a couple decent ones. The water's a little bit lower today, but I have high hopes. We got some sun left, and he's got his fly pre-wetted.
Pretty wet. I dumped it in the water.
He's fired up.
I'm ready.
So we're gonna get him, you might as well go now.
Alright.
See if we can get you one.
Casting right over here. Gonna let it see. That's the golden zone right there. Oh.
Got him.
No way.
Yep.
Dude.
Good one.
Your fly is the thing.
That was a different fly.
What?
Yeah, another snarl. Hopefully it's no long, another snarl left. I ain't got no long strip in. He'll part. He is good. Okay,
Yeah. Oh man, that's a nice rainbow.
He is fat. Dude, that is fat.
Oh, that's a nice fish.
Oh dude, like
Dude.
he's really nice. Here, I'll get a picture with my phone. Please.
Yeah.
Do you want a photo with him? Like there it goes. You can tell he's learned.
Oh yeah. Man, photos still don't do justice.
Never.
Ever.
Never.
Big one?
He's big enough. Oh yeah. It's a rainbow, I can tell by the fight.
Okay, coming.
Here. Oh, no. Sorry about that. Oh, yeah. He's a rainbow. I can tell by that fight. It's just like the... Okay, that's awesome. That makes me happy. Ran into some fish tonight.
Yeah, rainbow.
Nope. Striper.
No, it's a rainbow, isn't it?
Is it? Oh, yeah, it has to be.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, it looked like a striper for a second. I was about to get cranky.
No, it was a trout.
Good. I thought I saw the lines on him for a second. I was like, no way.
Yeah, let's see. Here. He keeps diving. There we go. Got him.
Yeah, buddy.
Nice. Let's see what we got.
Not bad, is he?
No, not at all.
Oh, he's nice.
Yeah, that's a pretty fish.
Oh, yes, man. Let's go. I'm okay with that.
Yeah,
I'll take that any day. Ready to release him?
Yep.
Here you go, buddy.
There he goes.
Look at that. That's awesome, man.
That is. That's a nice fish.
That is. Wow.
Yeah, buddy. Not a brown, but we'll take him.
That's the first night fish.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. He was a good fight, too.
Yeah, he was.
I don't even know where my line's at here.
I heard him jumping when you hooked. I was like, oh man, that's a big fish.
Oh.
Holy crap. Was that between us?
Oh, I got one.
Do you?
Yeah, and it wasn't even that one.
Is it big?
Yep.
Holy smoke!
Here.
Oh yeah. That's it. Is that a rainbow?
I think. It's definitely not a brown. Yeah, he's a rainbow. Man, there's like actually an abundance of rainbow here. Okay, I got it. Oh, he's pretty. Oh, get back here. Something about the way the light shines on them at certain points, they remind me of a striper.
Oh. Nice.
That's two.
That's probably like that's still probably like a 15-incher.
Yeah, he's good.
Nice.
He is.
Nice.
There we go.
There he goes. You guys can't really probably see me, but good night. Caught 3, and there's more jumping, so it's kind of weird, like not being able to see your fly at all. You're just kind of guessing, kind of going off your ears, but man, it's fun. And yeah, basically just gotta have your light turned off when you're fishing and leave. I think it's, what did I say earlier in the video? I think it's 2 hours after sunset, so we got a little bit longer to fish, so we're gonna get back at it. There we go.
Yeah?
Yep. A second. What is that?
Rainbow?
Yeah, it's like a like a 13. Oh no, it's a brown. It's like a 12-inch brown.
Really? Right on. Oh, it is too.
Oh man.
Let's go.
We got the brown.
Awesome,
Nice.
man. Wow, that's beautiful. He's got really good spots on him.
Yeah, he does. This river has really pretty
Yeah.
browns.
I think that other one that broke could have been a brown.
It might have been. Yeah, we'll get a release.
Ready?
Yeah. There he goes.
I kept thinking I had something touching my fly. Yeah, we're staying away.
Oh, we got it. Ettnie's got. Ettnie's gonna work at 3 o'clock in the morning, but he ain't leaving.
Should try the bigger bomber. I mean,
Yeah.
it's more effective.
4 fish tonight.
Giant! Yeah, he's huge! Let's go! He's big!
That, oh dude, he could be a rainbow, but I think.
Oh, let's try it brown though.
Oh! Where's the net? My heart's pounding. There's the net right there.
That's a brown.
Oh yeah!
We got him!
Yeah!
We got him! That's huge! That is the fish, man!
That's it!
That's the fish! That's like a 20!
Oh!
Yeah, buddy! No way!
Dude, that! Oh yes! Dude, I'm freaking out.
No way!
Giant brown. Giant brown.
Are you ready for these? Go.
Look at that.
Yeah, buddy.
Can you see that on the camera? That's a buttery brown. That's my first brown. That's actually massive.
There he goes. You can't get no better than that.
I knew it was the brown too, right off. I knew it.
Hey,
Yeah?
you gotta do the fist bump. Yeah, buddy. Man, that makes the whole night right there.
That's crazy, dude.
That makes the whole season.
Oh man, that's the fish I've been dreaming about since I started fly fishing.
That's crazy. 17.5 inch, but he was fat too though.
He was, yeah, he didn't look like a super slender.
No, he wasn't slinky. Man, that's crazy. I don't understand. Like, in theory, last time should have been ideal.
Yeah. I don't know, maybe lower water at night's good. For some reason.
I've got a giant.
What?
Yeah.
Dude! Where's the net?
Really? This is a giant. I don't know what it is.
Oh, I gotta grab the camera. Oh, you're way up here. What? This is like probably the craziest night of fishing.
This is gonna break my rod.
No. We gotta find out what it is.
You think if it was a beaver, it'd slap its tail though?
Yeah, man, I think you have a giant brown one. That was just like no one fishes.
Hey guys, so I went to go land Ettnie's fish and I dropped my rod in the water and I come back and my line was running and it took me 50 yards downstream and then 50 yards upstream and I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was a fish or a beaver, but if it was a fish, it was a giant. I couldn't budge it, like at all. Anyways, it got me into a tree and broke me off. I guess you can't really see, but it parted me off. But then after it parted me off, it jumped out of water. I don't know if it was a beaver slatting his tail or if it was a fish. But if it was a fish, it was insane. I could not move it at all. Like it felt like a huge salmon, but I have no clue what it was. On the bomber, but anyways. We're running out of time here, so I gotta get everything packed up, but that is crazy. I can't believe it. You gotta think of this though. We got both on camera. Not many people can say that.
Yeah, I know.
Like you got your first salmon and your first brown on camera. That's pretty crazy. That's cool. Little sucker.
How close is it?
It's a big boy. Oh, there goes that trout. See him? Okay guys, so we just got back. It's 11:30 at night. Ettnie's got to get up. What time are you gonna get up for work?
2:30.
He's gonna get up.
I'm gonna hate my life tomorrow.
But was it worth it?
Oh yeah.
Man, what a night. We what did we catch? I mean, you guys watched it. We caught a bunch of trout, caught some rainbows, caught some browns, and I said it. We knew. I had a feeling that we were gonna catch a big brown. And I can't believe like Ettnie finally got his brown.
And it was like perfect, like just how I pictured it. A big brown.
It was crazy. Anyways, caught it on a bomber or a Carter's bug, I guess. And night fishing, couldn't ask for any better. Crazy night, and I hope you guys like this kind of video. I mean, it's a little bit different. You can't really see us fishing a lot because it was so dark out, but hopefully you guys liked our hookups and us freaking out. So thank you guys for watching, and like, subscribe, leave a comment.
Peace out.
See you next time.